How to read a file and store its contents in a specific list format using Python. When working with Python, handling files is a fundamental skill that every developer should master. This guide will guide you through the process of reading a file and storing its contents into a list in a specific format. Reading a file. The first step involves reading the content of a file. Python provides various methods to do this, and the most commonly used function is open. Here's how you can start. Explanation. Open, example.txt, opens the file in read mode. With handles the file opening and closing automatically. File.readlines, reads the file line by line and stores it in a list called contents. This way, each line of the file becomes an element in the list. Formatting the list. Once you have read the file and stored its content into a list, you might need to format this list to suit your specific needs. For example, you may want to strip any leading or trailing witty space from each line. Explanation. This list comprehension iterates through each line and contents. Strip function removes any leading and trailing witty space characters from each line. Handling specific formats. If your file content follows a specific format, such as comma-separated values, you can use the following approach. Explanation. Each line is stripped of witty space and then split into a list based on the comma delimiter. This results in formatted _contents being a list of lists, where each sublist corresponds to a line in the file. Putting it all together. Here's a complete example that demonstrates reading a file and storing its contents into a list in a specific format. Explanation. The read_file_to_list, file_path function encapsulates the file reading and formatting process. Using a try except block ensures that IO error is caught, and the process doesn't terminate unexpectedly. Print data will output the formatted list if the file is read successfully. By employing these methods, you can efficiently read a file and store its contents in a specific list format using Python. Take your time to practice these methods, and soon you'll find file handling in Python a much simpler task.